everybody! So, forgive me for the heater noise. It's still a little cold in my studio, but I am back and I'm going to start doing videos again. I took December off, which actually was a good thing because I ended up getting into a shop, and that was a little intense to make sure I had enough for that shop update, to be able to like stock the shop and have enough stuff that they were looking for in it. So yeah, I'm in a local shop that kind of supports local artists, and so that was kind of cool. It was kind of a last minute thing, and so yeah, it took me a little bit to get that done. And then after that I ended up actually getting COVID, and it was the first time I'd ever caught it. And we'd managed to avoid it for, 2 years, and then it finally got us at the end of 2022. So that actually took me a decent amount of time to get over. I'm still kind of on the end of it. No longer contagious or anything like that, but still got some of the symptoms. So been really cold here, and a lot of snow. And so finally we're having like a 45-degree day today, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's like warm. I mean, it's not warm, but it's warmer. And so so this is just gonna be a vlog, basically. I'm just kind of gonna ease back into making videos and stuff after being sick for a while. So yeah, so that's what you can look forward in this one. It's just me wheel throwing, probably bisquing some stuff, just kind of getting back into the routine after being sick for a while. So I am going to be doing a new story in January. I did the Snow Queen, and those pieces turned out pretty awesome. If you haven't had a chance, check out that video. I have like a compilation of how I made all the pieces from beginning to end, which is kind of neat, so you can kind of see the entire process of how those pieces were made. So if you haven't had a chance, check that video out. But this is just going to be like a vlog, and I'm going to start on my next story. I really want to do Alice in Wonderland. So that is going to kind of be the theme for this next story, this next collection-ish that I'm launching. I'm not going to do like a collection where all the pieces have to do with Alice in Wonderland necessarily, just because I have gotten a request for a lot of like everyday pieces and pieces that aren't as expensive, so it will kind of be a mix. I am going to start doing Alice in Wonderland pieces and Alice in Wonderland themed, but they'll kind of be my pricier, fancier pieces, and we'll also just throw some basic cups and mugs, just for the everyday stuff that people were asking for. So yeah, and I'm actually really excited to do Alice in Wonderland. I do want to play with size quite a bit, because in the story, the potions and stuff that make you bigger or smaller, or, the drink me and things like that. Like, I'm really excited to kind of play with that and maybe make pieces that wouldn't normally be that bigger, or pieces that wouldn't normally be smaller. And so yeah, that's just what we're going to be doing today. this is what I got thrown today so far. Not a ton, just a couple of mugs and some cute little jars. I'm hoping to have like little cork stoppers for them, for these two. And then yeah, I threw a couple of mugs. I'm kind of just taking it slow, taking it easy, kind of getting back into the swing of things with being sick and stuff, and it being super cold out here. So yeah, that's about all I had the stamina for today, but hopefully next time we come out here I'll be back up to normal stamina and I can throw more than this. Hi everybody! So I'm actually going to be running a bisque fire today. This is a couple days later from my last video recording, and so yeah, so I've got to load up the kiln for a bisque fire. It's just going to be like a small bisque fire. We'll load that up and then I've got more pieces to throw, so yeah. So here are what I got thrown today. It's a little cold in my studio. My hands are kind of red. So also from being sick, I'm kind of just working myself up to throwing more pieces. This is more than I did last time though. Last time I only managed like 6 pieces and 2 of them were small. So I'm pretty excited that I managed to get 8 this time. But yeah, that's what we got so far. So I want to take a quick second to explain the last clip. So, because I got into this local shop, once a month they have you come in and do like a maker's table where you can kind of paint or do whatever it is you do, you know, because they have a bunch of different artists from the area, and so basically everybody just takes a turn at the maker's table, kind of showing their art and doing art for like customers that come in. So that was me having my maker table day. So, you know, I just got started on the Alice in Wonderland collection, and yeah, I just I had hand built some stuff, but it was still when I was getting over being sick, and I didn't have the stamina to come out here in the really cold weather to be able to throw on the wheel, so I decided to do some hand building. So I made some spoons and some pinch bowls and stuff, so that's what you saw me making in there. And yeah, it was fun. It was kind of a quieter day, which was kind of cool, so I had enough time to like talk to people, and they're asking me questions about how I made the stuff, or if I had my own studio, things like that. So it was kind of cool to be able to meet some of the customers and kind of talk about my art, and yeah. Anyways, that is kind of just me trying to get back into the swing of things. If you want more like insider details and more about like how I go about making the collections, picking the stories, making the pieces, things like that, make sure to check out my Patreon. I'll have the link below. And yeah, even the lowest tier gets most of the information and things like that. I mean, some of the higher tiers you'll get videos early, things like that. But yeah, feel free to support me and stuff so I can keep making these videos and keep doing what I love to do, which is playing in the mud for a living. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer next time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye!